Hello everyone, this is Adedayo, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tip on how to use the metric pad on the Korg PA5X. Now, what is a metric pad? The metric pad on the PA5X refers to a pad that triggers in sync with the style's musical timing. So if you have a style, you can also use a metric pad on it. For example, you could trigger a percussion loop on the metric pad. You can trigger a guitar rhythm phrase, a synth keyboard riff, a synth stab, a rhythmic FX pattern on the metrics pad. Now let me show you a quick function of it. Now to use the metric pad, you need to first of all bring this to 1, 1, and then let's start up. If we click this first one, it automatically plays what we have on player 1. Let's go. Now if we want to add something else to it, we can click on 2. Now, if you thought about a DJ set, you can also achieve that using the metric pad. Now, let's get deeper with this. And what I'd like to talk about right now is how to edit the matrix pad. Now, what you need to do first is to come to the home screen where you have your main keys, control, mixer, scale tuning, mic and guitar, chord, jukebox, the matrix. So you're going to click on the matrix. And you see what we have here. If you notice, you see shakers, conga. I mean, just the same thing you have here. Right. So what we want to do is first click on this button to expand it. And when we come here, we click on the edit button on the screen. Edit. Now, I want to take out, let's say we want to take out the church bell, for example. We click on that, it brings us to the SFX page. And let's put something else here. Let's put yeah. So each time we play it, that's what we get. Now let's change quiz 1. That's the one in 5 to something else. Let's put pre-count 2, 3, 4. Right. So let's change the crash here. Let's change the crash to something else. Let's put a nice kick. So you have kick here. Pre-count. Now let's change this to something else as well. We have something else. Yeah, too, like a different yeah. So oh, it's the same thing. So let's put wind. Now that is how to edit, switch things around on the matrix. And if you want to save it, you will want to click on this drop down menu and click on save pad, and you can call it whatever you want and it to be saved there. All right, have a good one. Take care.